Here is my potato plant growing in a bag of compost, and it's actually my own homemade compost from all the material, all the garden material from my garden and from kitchen waste as well. And when you grow a potato plant in a bag, you are curious as to, I wonder how many potatoes are there now, how well are they doing? Well, with this bag that I've made, I've added a Velcro strip so you can easily have a look inside and check how well it's going, if there's any potatoes. There isn't at the moment because this is a young plant, so you can have a quick check to see how it's going and see if there's any problems, and then after that you can just fasten it back up like that. And at the end, when you have got potatoes ready, you don't have to tip the bag over, you just separate it and then pull all the compost out, and there's all your potatoes. So let me show you how I made it. I'm using a polypropylene, very strong woven bag, which you can use for other things as well as growing potatoes in. And I got a pack of 20 for £12.99, so it's quite good value. Before you start, you may need to cut some slits into the bottom of your bag for drainage. But if you're using woven plastic bags like I am, which has a woven seam at the bottom, you won't need to bother because the water naturally drains through that seam, as you can see here. And I also bought a 8 meters strip of Velcro tape with sticky back self-adhesive, and it is very sticky and very strong. So this is the slightly softer side. So now that we've stuck both sides of the Velcro onto the bag, we can fasten it back up. You may have to remove a bit of compost, but after doing that, it's very easy to do. And it's a very secure and strong fit too. That bag is very secure. There's no way that's going to easily come undone. And that seems pretty good actually. So there it is. So I think it's a really cool idea. And who knows, if I make a load and sell a load, I might become a millionaire. But I won't become a millionaire unless you thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel. So please do. And thanks for watching.